Hello loves, welcome to my vlog, and for today's video is we are going to review this very trending product, the GMCY Double Effect Matte Gloss Lipstick. It has a 48 hours long lasting claims. This is 3-in-1 transfer proof lipstick. Ayan, so it has 6 shades for cool skin and warm skin tone. Ayan, so I only bought 2 shades. So, ang kagandahan nito is it has a matte lipstick alone and it also has a gloss. So you can wear it 3-in-1, the matte, the gloss, and together, the matte and the gloss. Yan, so I am now swatching the NR05. This is the Velvet Taro. It has a hint of pink, but this is very light. So, this is very perfect for everyday use. Ayan, kung mas gusto mo ng a bit lighter. So, this is for you. Ayan. So, the second shade that I bought is actually the NR06, which is the Crimson Cream. So, yung texture ng product nito, this is creamy. Ayan. So, you just have to wait for it to set. Mag-dry siya. And you can wear it matte lipstick alone. And I just waited for it to dry or mag-set. And then I put the gloss. Ayan. So, let's see kung this is true ba yung claim na this is transfer proof or everything proof. So, ayan. After putting the gloss, let's just wait for it to set a few more seconds and then itatry natin siya kung magta-transfer siya. So, ayan. I am going to to cover it with tissue. Ayan. Then, I press it. So, let's see kung magta-transfer. So, ayan na nga, as you can see, yan, nag-transfer siya, pero very little lang. So, ayan, I am now smudging it with my index. And as you can see, nag-transfer yung gloss, pero yung matte lipstick hindi. So, the claim is true that this is smudge-proof and tissue transfer-proof. So, sa mga interested, I'm going to put the link below sa comment box. Just check it kung saan ko siya nabili. And then, abangan niyo po yung aking wear test vlog para mas matest natin siya lalo. Bye! Thank you!